Today, let's make a beautiful charred grilled squid recipe. It is spicy, sweet, savory with the tangy dipping sauce, and most importantly, I'm going to show you how to make that perfect char lines on squids. Let's go. Alright, so today we're making a grilled squid recipe. Very, very simple. Let's prepare the marinade for the squids. We're going in with about 3 cloves of garlic, 3 to 4 shallots, 1 stalk of lemongrass. Just use the white parts. Of course, we'll need some chilies. Now I've got a small stalk of coriander together with its root. We're using this in the marinade as well, and that's going to impart a lot of flavor. Into the blender or food processor with the garlic, shallots, lemongrass and chilies. To that, I'm going to be adding in some palm sugar for a little bit of sweetness, about ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt, a good tablespoon of sweet soy, fish sauce, and a teaspoon of tamarind paste. So now, we're ready to give this a good blend. Get all this marinade out onto the squid. Beautiful. And mix this all up together. Once this is marinated, you can do this on a grill on your stovetop, or you can take it out to the barbecue and you get some really amazing grilled squid. Alright, so now that squid needs some time to just sit in that marinade and absorb all that flavor. So while we wait for that, let's prepare a dipping sauce. Garlic, about 3 cloves. Put that into your food processor. A good bunch of coriander. So we have our bird's eye chili here. I'm using quite a lot, but go with how much you can tolerate. Alright, now lime. Squeeze that baby in. Put 2½ teaspoons of sugar. About a tablespoon of sweet soy sauce and fish sauce. And this is our dipping sauce that's ready to go. It tastes almost like a Thai version of mint sauce. What you're looking for is that nice balance of savory, sweet and acidic together with the spiciness. Drizzle some oil on your griddle. Now you want to get your griddle nice and hot because squid cooks very, very quickly, and squid also has a lot of liquid. So I'm using a griddle that has these ridges so that the squid doesn't touch the bottom. Get your squid. Beautiful. The heads of the squids. Beautiful. Look at the beautiful char on that squid. Once your squid nice and charred all around, look at that beautiful color. Let's remove it and set it aside. Absolutely delicious. Now you grab your squids, slice, but not all the way through to the bottom. You still want your squid nice and tender, not rubbery. If you cook any more than this, what's going to happen is your squid's going to turn rubbery and not nice at all. Got 2 beautifully grilled squids. Now the heads, what I usually do is I would cut them into portions. Get this beautiful dipping sauce. And here I have some ulam here in Malaysia. So this is daun selon. And ladies and gentlemen, there you go. That's a beautiful dish of grilled squids. My favorite part of the squid is always the end bit with the body and a little bit of that tail. So when it's grilled, you get sort of a variety of different textures in your mouth. This simple marinade recipe can be used for squids, can be used for prawns as well. So go crazy with it. Even if you're doing a grilled fish, you can use this marinade recipe as well. Okay? So I hope you learned something today. Leave your comments down in the comment section below and let me know what you think. Okay? I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe. Ciao.